Oh, okay, so sorry I haven't caught up in a while, and also sorry about the quality of the video. So I broke my camera a few weeks ago. The whole screen on it wouldn't work. It wouldn't take videos or photograph or anything, so I had to leave that in to be fixed. And I got it back, and it's like really, it's perfect. Yeah, I think the audio or the microphone is damaged or something, so the video quality itself is fine, but there's no audio. So I really don't know what I'm going to do going forward. I'll try and bring the camera back and see if they can repair the audio, but right now I'm just going to film on my phone. My phone's quite old, so I'm not sure how good the quality is, but yeah, I thought it's better to kind of keep on top of things. So what I'm working on this week is star bags. Gonna have a drop done by the end of the month. I will get one and show you what it looks like. So here are the bags I'm working on. They're in this kind of pinky fabric that I used in the summer collection, and they've got all this sequin detail on them. So I've actually only got 2 finished. I have another 8, I think, in production. So we've got a few cream ones and then 2 other pink ones. So I'm going to get them finished today. Yeah, so the plan is to get them finished today. I photographed most of the bags during the week and kind of edited on the bag straps, but I might take those photos again, I'm not sure. As well as that, I have, ignoring this is my jumper. I also got ink on this. I'm so upset. I'm gonna have to dye it like a darker color or something. But all of this is archive that I've gotten back from Mondiva that needs to get up online and kind of launch that online. But I need to photograph it all first, so that's another plan for the week. And as well as that, I did like the Trinity fashion show on Friday, which was amazing. I had like, I think 8 outfits in the show, but the production was fab. Like, it was so cool to be part of something so well put on, and to also meet like other Irish designers at it and everything. That was so nice. But I have to collect all those outfits today at some point. I think I'm going to drop by Trinity, so I might take you along if it's not raining, and I'm going to get them collected. So yeah, it's a busy week. It was a bank holiday, so it's Tuesday, so kind of starting the week on a Tuesday. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is get all those bag straps done. Then we will probably have to run and collect the outfits from Trinity, and then depending on how much time I've left, I'm going to start thinking of photographing the archive so that I can slowly get ready to launch that online too. And then another thing I want to do, which I haven't said anywhere, so if you watch the YouTube, I suppose you're the first to know, is that I want to launch a small kind of bridal collection on my website that I'll just be constantly adding pieces to, especially these pieces that I've done with all this upcycled like lace. This one here is just like this kind of tall skirt, which, you know, it's not necessarily just for bridal, but I'd like to kind of call it the bridal section, and then there'll be one of a kind pieces there, and it could be even for hen parties or, you know, just events around getting married. But yeah, I think that would be really nice to kind of have an offering like that, because I do get quite a few questions about whether I make kind of bridal wear. But I suppose that's for another another video. Right now, other stuff to focus on. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm just in Trinity waiting to meet the people from the Fashion Society to get everything back. But yeah, hopefully just get stuff in a minute and I'll be able to go. Hey, so it is Friday today and I'm doing my drop tonight, so I'm just in getting everything ready. All the star bags are ready to go. I'm just doing kind of more shots of how they look like, styles and that kind of thing, and doing some stories for my Instagram. So I'm recording the audio separately because the audio on this camera seems to be gone. So hopefully it'll line up. If not, I might do a voiceover. But I'll just run you through all of the bags now that they're ready to go. So I have, these are all my pink sequin ones. And then these are all my cream ones. So yeah, that is all of the bags ready to go. So yeah, let's run through them. So I have two of these sequin ones with the wooden handles like this. I made two of them. That's them there. And then I have two of them with like a metal closure. And then I'm also doing pre-order on these because I have enough of this fabric left that I can make a few more. I just didn't have the time. I also have like an added charm on this one because you can get the charms kind of separate online. So I wanted to show what they looked like with the charm attached. So they're the pink ones. And then I have 4 of the cream ones. I only had enough fabric to make 4 of these. And then they all have like different kind of key ring details. And they're all just like a little bit different. Yeah, so they're all going up tonight at 8. Oh, to have my watch on. I think I've got around 4 hours to get them all up, which is fine. That's grand. So I'm just going to do some photos in the mirror of me holding them to kind of give an idea of the size, just so people know. But yeah, that's one of the cream ones on. I'll show you one of the pink ones on actually as well. And that's one of the pink ones on there. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy I'm on top of this drop. I'm glad to get back to doing another one. It's been a while. So I'm going to finish that up, take all my photographs, and then that's me. So I'll catch you at some point. Okay, bye.